So when we look at really zero trust framework and how that real-time enforcement works, the key components here is you want to be able to manage it from anywhere. So your policy server, your UI, your database, where your policies are managed, need to be able to be hosted anywhere. So if you want to keep that on-prem, that's fine. If you want to use a vendor's cloud, Genian's cloud, for example, that is something you can do if it's offered, or you should be able to also deploy the management component in a public or private cloud of your choosing. Then you need to make sure that all of your compliance checks are made. So you have to identify the appropriate platforms, devices that are kept connecting to your network. In the Genian ZTNAT case, we have device platform intelligence we use to categorize. And then you have to run everything through a policy engine. And when you run those through the policy engine and apply your zero trust policies, then you should have the option to choose the enforcement method. Now, choosing enforcement methods has always been important, and having the ability to choose and have the flexibility to choose is always a big value proposition, even for on-prem. However, as we move into the cloud, now you have to have cloud enforcement options. So that's where the connector and gateway come in that we'll talk about today. So ultimately, you need to be able to enforce your policies in any environment, on-prem, home office, or for the cloud as well.